Today we got a video from Police Release, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Entitled Walmart Shoplifter Ends Badly.
On April 17, 2025, officers were called to Walmart for an active shoplifting incident. A woman was spotted stuffing clothing items into her purse and glancing around to make sure no one was watching. What she didn't realize was that the loss prevention team had eyes on her the whole time, just waiting for her to walk out the door.
Can I see the camera? You need to work around for the ATL. Police is gonna get involved. Don't grab me. Hey.
You're under arrest.
You guys don't have any proof. You don't have any proof. Ma'am, can you please let me go, please? Can you let me go, please, so I can do it? You didn't even give me a chance. You didn't even give me, sir. You didn't give me a chance.
You did many chances.
You did not. You won't even get off of me. How can I do that?
Put your enemy on your back.
Can you please get my shoe on? You know what? This is how you guys treat people. This is how you guys treat people. Get your elbow off of me. Get your elbow off of me. I'm just trying to get my shoe on. You don't have to be a... You guys allowed him to do that to me as a woman and somebody...
I dropped something. Thanks.
And one of them is... Can you please get my shoe on, please? Yeah. Thank you. Can you please put my shoe on? Shoe over. And as soon as we stand you up, you can get your shoe on.
That was unnecessary.
No, it wasn't, because you didn't have to do that to me. Thank you very much.
You were fighting me the whole time.
I was not fighting you at all.
Okay.
You literally grabbed me and snatched me against the
All right. Go ahead and put your...
And then you put your knee on my back, and I told you I have a spine injury.
Put your feet underneath.
I can't. I have a spine injury. You have to literally stand me up.
Yeah, with your legs.
I'm not able to do that. I'm telling you that.
91329.
You're a f***ing asshole. You straight put your knee in my back and my spine, and I told you I have a spine injury. You're big as f***ing. You're putting your knee in my spine.
And start fire. And 6-1. Are you injured at all?
Can someone help me, please?
Hey, are you injured at all?
Yeah, I would like to get checked out.
Yeah, they're on their way.
That's fine. Can you please help me get up?
I can't help you get up if you can't help me.
I need two people to stand me up, sir. You just put your knee in my spine. I have a spine injury.
Okay, are you able to actually assist me? Because I'm
How
not.
can
I'm
I
not,
assist you? I don't have my hands.
No, use your legs to stand up.
I can't.
Okay, then I can't just lift you up. You're not
Asshole. You're not 5 pounds either. Your big ass got on the top of me.
Just wait, and I'll get another officer.
No.
That was crazy. He's that, I don't know, I gotta fix this lighting, but the light keep changing. And it's irritating me. But anyway, he said, yo, it's not like you 5 pounds. That was crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That was crazy. He said, it's not like you 5 pounds. Man, all of this for some underwear and stuff. Like, we can see the type of things that she got, man. This don't make no sense. I really don't understand why people shoplift at all. But if you are gonna do it, why would you be doing it places that's filled with cameras? Filled with cameras. Walmarts, Targets, Best Buys, you know, places like that. Is like, you're not getting away with it. And even if you might get away 1 or 2 times, but it's really like, it's just because, you know, what's it called? Loss prevention or whatever probably don't want to get you right now. They waiting for the case to build. You know what I mean? Because sometimes they'll see it. They'll see it, whatever. And that's how you end up knowing, oh, well, they took 4 times and it was amount of $3,000 or a bigger amount like that, because they just let the case build because they know you're going to be back And yeah, that's how that goes sometimes.
Here to help me.
No, you're detaining me and didn't even tell me what the reason was.
For shoplift. They told you. So what are your injuries? Is it your back?
I told you what they are. I don't have to say nothing else to you.
Okay.
Can I make a phone call, please?
Nope.
And what are you arresting me for? What am I being arrested for?
Obstruction and theft third.
Theft third. Theft third is what? For what exactly? You don't even know what I
It's
stole.
shoplifting.
You don't even know what I stole. And furthermore, isn't there a limit for when you take people to jail?
It sounds like you're pretty familiar with this
No,
process.
you know what? Because I actually want to be a lawyer one day.
Okay.
That's why. That's why I'm familiar with something
Well,
like this.
future
I don't
lawyer,
have
Next
a record.
time, future
Thank
lawyer,
you. I don't have a record. I'm
when
just
the
somebody
officer
trying
tells
to.
you-
I'm just somebody trying to make it in life. I'm like your fat ass.
take to the office.
Yeah, you want to go this side, Cordova?
I need help. I have a spine injury.
spinal injury.
So can you please be careful? He put his knee in my spine, and I told him I had a spine injury.
We can solve that problem by don't resist, right?
I'm not resisting,
No,
sir.
you're not, but-
I wasn't resisting in
Sure.
the first place, so don't tell me not to resist.
Okay, we're going to start off this way, all right? There.
Thank you.
There you go.
I appreciate that. I'm not self-conscious at all.
There's process.
Okay, that's fine. No, I'm not treated like everybody else. I'm a black woman in America.
Oh, please stop.
No, I'm not. Yeah, you're black, and you seen him just throw me on the ground.
No, I didn't see anybody. Have a seat, please. Thank you.
I'm not talking to you, sir.
Oh, I don't care if you're not talking to me.
Thank
I'm
you.
talking to you.
I was talking to that lady.
I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, okay. She took underwear and shirts, and she.
No, I'm not like everybody else. I'm a black woman in America. Oh my goodness. I'm going to just leave that there. That's what she said. Let's just continue.
I did not take underwear. I paid for my underwear.
That's what I'm saying.
One we have
She take
on.
underwear and shirts, and she concealed the shirt and paid for the underwear. That's what I was saying, man.
Rosa, was there anything else?
There's nothing else. It's just shirts, and you don't have. You
Yes,
do
he
not
has
have
legal
authorized
authority.
to
Stop.
go through no,
Stop.
I did not authorize
Exercise your right to remain silent
that.
then.
Listen, I
Yes.
did not authorize him to go through my.
You don't have to. You're under arrest for shoplifting.
You know what? And I didn't authorize you, and you have the wrong ID.
Oh my God.
Sir,
No, nobody's going to, we're going to stop talking to you.
I can go.
that's the wrong ID.
Yes.
Sir, just why are you going to get all that stuff out of my purse? It's just a couple shirts. Don't go through my purse. You're not that's it. That's all I have. You don't have to go through my purse. Marijuana is legal. You can put that back in my purse. You have no right to go through the rest of my items.
I'm gonna advise you of your rights, okay?
No, I'm not. He has. Why are you going through the rest of my purse?
Argue it in court. That's your legal right.
Okay, that's fine. I will do
All right,
that.
ma'am. I'm gonna advise you of your rights right now. Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Listen, I will cooperate, but I don't like how he's going through my purse. There's nothing else in there for you to go through my purse. I would appreciate if you not went through the rest of my purse.
You're going to go to jail today.
For what?
For obstruction and theft third, okay?
No, listen.
Yeah.
I have every. You can
So
just
for that
take
reason,
your items back, but
I need
take
to
me
actually
jail
look
for
through
what?
this.
Take me to jail. I don't have a record.
Well, you
okay, and
you're
I
going to
apologize,
today.
but I'm homeless. Okay, I am homeless. I don't have any where to go. Can you please put my stuff? Can I please go home? That's all I want to do is go home. Take me to jail. I'm homeless.
You want to go home, but you homeless. So where you going? At least in jail, you know what I'm saying? They gonna feed you. You ain't gotta worry about stealing. No clothes, you know what I mean? They gonna give you some clothes. So you ain't gotta worry about stealing no clothes. You know, you gonna get a bed. You ain't gotta worry about sleeping, you know, maybe underneath, you know, the bridge or something like that. You know what I mean? You good. You good.
Like, I'm homeless. That's why I took a few shirts.
Where's home if you're homeless?
What do you mean, where's home?
You said you're home, but you want to be taken
I
home.
went in my car. In my
okay.
car. That's
Gotcha.
where I belong, in my car.
Which car is yours outside?
Sir, so you're taking me to jail.
Yeah.
For what?
For obstruction, you fought me.
I did not fight you, sir. You
Yeah, I
literally...
gave you a lawful order to stop.
No,
You
sir.
decided to-
You literally put your knee in my back. And
I'm not
you
gonna argue
slammed
with
me
you.
against the... You're taking me to jail, and you literally slammed me again. And you didn't even give me an opportunity.
Yes, I did. I gave
No,
you the
you did
opportunity.
not.
Okay.
So taking me to jail for what?
shoplifting. It's called theft. It's a crime.
Understand, okay? I understand that, but take me to jail for, why do I have to go to jail? Why can't I be seen
Committed a
in the
crime.
court?
Again, see, there's that self-entitled thing. Anybody who commits a
I'm
crime
not
can
trying
be
to be
taken to
self-entitled,
jail.
sir. I've
But I'm
never
telling you, if
been
you
in
commit a
trouble with the
crime,
law. I don't
well,
know.
you are today. You shouldn't have committed shoplifting
Can I please make a phone call?
at the jail.
Can I please?
Yes, at the jail you can. You have a right to at the jail.
You're an asshole.
That'll probably help you in court. You should keep talking.
Sir, listen. I'm already in trouble for whatever this is. He literally put his knee in my
Don't
spine.
resist.
No, I wasn't resisting. I was not
Don't resist.
resisting.
Well, I can tell by your attitude from the moment I met you that it's probably more plausible that you were resisting and
No,
arguing.
I was not, sir. He literally slammed me against the door.
Okay, well, like I told you before, then just argue it in court.
Okay. Those are all my cards. So why do you
Is
have
there
to
something
go
that
through-
you're worried that I'm going to find?
No, I'm not.
'Cause you
but
really don't want me to
there-
keep searching.
Because this is my belongings.
All right.
I don't need you to go through my
Well,
pockets.
you're under
sir.
arrest, so yeah, you have to be searched. Incident to arrest.
Can you please answer that, please, so I can talk to him?
Nope, you're under arrest. You don't get a phone call. Officer Cardozo, if you'd like to do a search incident to arrest on this gal. So I'm gonna explain to you real quick. He's gonna stand you up and he's gonna search your person per law. So he'll have you stand up. He's gonna search your pockets. Do you have anything else that you shouldn't have on you? Do you? Perfect. I like the way you responded.
I like that, officer.
He's just doing the search real quick and then just one second. Sorry. Yeah, do you have our ID?
Okay, do you want me to do, or you want to do it in the hospital today?
Sir, I want to go home.
Okay.
I want to go sleep in my car. That's where I live. I'm
Okay.
homeless. Okay?
So what I'm worried about is your medical condition right now. Are you in back pain?
I do have to.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
Me in my spine.
Okay. Do you think so? We don't see anything based on the eval that we're seeing,
Okay.
but based on what happened, if you'd like to go to the hospital to get an X-ray, you don't want
I
that?
will check myself out when I get out.
Okay. All right. No problem. All right, guys. We're good to go. Thank you. All right.
I just want her to know that she's not winning.
So what we'll do for you is when we get to the outside the jail, because there's kind of a line like a Sallyport area, we'll get your cell phone. We'll hold it to your ear and you can talk to her.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah,
Okay.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you, and I appreciate you being cooperative.
The woman was charged with theft and obstruction.
Was she really being cooperative though? Really? Was she? I don't know. But yeah, man, this is just nothing really happened. Simple case, man. They got her together. You know what I'm saying? She wasn't acting right, so they had to, tune her up. You know what I'm saying? She needed a factory reset, but I think she's good now. I think she's working properly. So, yeah, I'm gonna get officers 5 out of 5, man. I think they did a good job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.